St. Anne man, suspect in killing of girlfriend, dies in hospital days after consuming chemical substance. Third cop arrested in connection with killing at Ocherios fast food restaurant. St. Mary security guard who met minor online charged with rape and child pornography. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The man who was the suspect in the killing of his girlfriend, 44-year-old Jamaica Haley, in Charlestown, St. Anne last month, died on Thursday in hospital. Kevon Shirley, a 36-year-old construction worker, was admitted to the Kingston Public Hospital after he consumed a chemical substance in an attempt to end his life. It was reported that on January 29, 2 days after Miss Haley was found dead, Mr. Shirley went to Higgins Land in Alexandria area and jumped into a tank after drinking the substance. He was taken from the tank by the police and taken to the Senans Bay Regional Hospital and later transferred to KPH. Mrs. Haley, an attendant at Senans Bay Regional Hospital, was found dead inside her home on January 27. Her body was discovered under a sheet with blood on her nightgown. A third policeman has been arrested in connection with the shooting death of a man at a fast food restaurant in Ocherios, St. Anne last weekend, law enforcement sources disclosed. The constable, who is based in Trelawney, reportedly surrendered to the police in St. James Saturday in the presence of his attorney. He is expected to be interviewed by detectives from St. Anne. A St. Mary man accused of blackmailing a minor with whom he reportedly had a relationship and using explicit photos to force her to have sex with him against her will has been charged by the police. 35-year-old Brian Walsh, a security guard of Saltram District in Gale, has been charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, sexual grooming of a child, and possession of child pornography.